सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करने के बाद सब लोगों के साथ कोयल इंडिया के बारे में। कोयल इंडिया Q3 result today. Stock eyes multi-year high. Will 40% profit jump lead to a dividend banja? Coil India share price stay ahead of Q3 result today. February 12 will CIL declare another interim dividend. SEC expected paid on production data and target price. Mumbai, the king of dividend. Coil India Limited is all set to unveil its Q3 financial year 2025 to 26 result later today, with power demand hitting record high this winter. The street is betting on a massive recovery in margin and healthy interim dividend payout. Coil India Live Market Snapshot 12 February 1:10 p.m. Current share price 424.80 plus 0.35%. Today run 420 428.00 or 52-week high, low 461.55 or 349.25. Market cap 2.60 lakhs crore or dividend nearly 6.26%, one of the highest in Nifty 50. The stock has shown in extreme resilience, gaining nearly 10% in the last 3 months as production volume continue to track the government 1 billion ton annual target. Our Q3 preview, the big jumps in number. Analysts are predicting a 35 to 45% sequential growth in the net profit, primarily driven by higher production and stabilized e-action premium. Matrix Q2 financial year 26, Q3 financial 26 estimate growth. Net profit 4,263 crore, 6,000 to 6,400 crore. Revenue 30,187 crore. Or EVA margin 22%. A strong recovery.